What's your expectations on life? What's your expectations on relationships or anything that enters into your attention? I had a conversation with a client this morning, and we talked about the symbiotic relationship that we have with every aspect of life. Instead of having an expectations on, if someone shows me love, I have to show them love back. If someone gives me something, I have to give them something back. What if your relationship with life, with your partner, with your job, with your passion, was one of a symbiotic relationship? Now, from what I understand, that means that two different things each benefit from that relationship without expectations. What I said this morning was it's about how humanity and the earth, the planet, should have a natural relationship. The planet looks after us, therefore we should be looking after the planet. It doesn't necessarily always work in that way. And that's a bit like a relationship in any other concept. If one party is doing more than the other, then there's a natural breakdown or a natural unsettling. Events that may be unforeseen, but are not benefiting either parties. So if you look at your relationship with whomever or whatever today, are you having expectations on the other person? Is there a natural ebb and flow? Is it symbiotic, as in you both have an agreement in parts, that you look after each other, that you support each other? If it's work, that you have plenty of rest periods in order for you to feel rested, recovered, replenished, and come back into it. If it's a relationship, is it one where you both do something equally for each other? When someone is down, then you lift them up, and vice versa. But it should be natural. It should be the ebb and flow of the sea and the ocean. It should naturally flow with the universe, the world, nature. I'd love to hear your thoughts. You take care. Look after yourself.